Hey guys, it's Skylark here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to zoom in on Mac. So I'm going to show you how exactly to set everything up so you will be able to zoom in, as you can see right now on the screen. I'm going to show you few different ways of zooming in. There are several options. The one that I'm showing you right now is just one of it. So let's start. First of all, we need to click on the Apple icon over here and then go to System Settings. Once the settings open, we need to find Accessibility on the left side and then go to Zoom. Once we get here, we have a few options. So first of all, we need to set up modifier key for scroll gesture. So for me, it's Control. You can click over here and choose Option or Command if you prefer. That means that if you hold Control key on your keyboard and then you scroll with the scroll on the mouse, it will be zooming in and zooming out. So this is the first way. And now the second thing that we can change is zoom style. So right now I'm showing you full screen zoom. So as you can see, the full screen is being zoomed in and zoomed out. This is my favorite type of zoom, but of course it's up to your preferences. The second type of zoom is called picture in picture. So if we click over here, we can zoom in a certain part of the screen, just how you see right now. So if we want to only zoom in a certain fragment, that's how we can achieve it using the picture in picture. As you can see right now, just the part of the screen is being zoomed in. And the third way that we can zoom in is split screen. So if we do split screen, we can also change the size and location. As you can see over here, it will be zoomed in on part of the screen. So if I do it like this, click OK. And now if I try to zoom in on a fragment, as you can see, it's being zoomed in at the top of the screen over here. I can move with my mouse the screen, and that's how it looks. So my favorite, like I mentioned, is the full screen, but of course you can change it to however you prefer. So this is how you can zoom in using mouse. And now if you would like to use your keyboard, you can enable this option over here. If this option is selected, you can zoom in using Option, Command and equal, and zoom out using Option, Command and minus. So let me zoom in. As you can see, I'm zooming in right now. And now to zoom out, I'm gonna press Option, Command and minus. So that's how it works. So this is how you can zoom in and zoom out on Mac. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know in the comments which of the zoom styles is your favorite. Is it full screen, split screen or picture in picture? And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.